Try to say this out loud right now as fast as you can. My, 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 my. My, 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 my. Yeah, that's basically impossible on the first try, even for a lot of Thai people. This exact sentence showed up in my very first video ever. I threw it at you, said nobody gets this right away, and then just moved on. Never actually taught you how. Today we go back and actually crack it. Quick refresher if you're new here. 5 words, all built from the sound my, each one a different tone. My, would, my, new, my, not, my, burn, my, and a question particle at the end. My, my. That's the whole sentence. If you want the full breakdown, it's in my very first video, linked above. Today, we're going further. Here's something that might surprise you. Thai kids stumble over this sentence too, but not for the reason you'd think. You're struggling to hear which tone is which. Is that high or rising? Thai kids never have that problem. They've heard these tones since before they could talk. Their ears already know. So why did they mess it up too? Pure speed. Saying 5 different tones back to back fast without your tongue tripping. That's a physical skill, not a listening one. Even native speakers need practice to say it quickly and cleanly. It's a tongue twister for everyone, just a different muscle. So if you're slow and careful right now, you're not behind. You're doing exactly what you should be doing at this stage. Here's the part I actually want you to take away today. When a Thai person says this sentence, they're not thinking high, low, falling, rising in their head. Nobody calculates tone by tone in real time. Instead, the whole sentence gets stored as one sound, like a tiny piece of a song. You don't think through the notes of a song you just know how it goes. Just change what you're memorizing. Instead of 5 separate tone labels, try holding the whole sentence as one little melody, rising and falling like music, instead of saying it word by word. That shape, up, down, low, low, up. That's the whole sentence before you even add the words back in. If you can hum that shape, your mouth already knows what to do. Now, put the words back onto that melody. My. Same shape you just hummed. Same 5 words. Your turn. Don't think high, low, falling. Just hum the shape first. Up, down, low, low, up. Then drop the words on top. Pause the video and try it right now using that technique. That's the melody trick working. It's the same shortcut Thai brains use without even realizing it. One more, using a word you already know from ordering food. Cow. Rice. Same falling shape as burn from our tongue twister. Same melody trick works on every word, not just this one sentence. So, Thai kids trip on speed, not hearing, and native speakers don't calculate tones. They memorize melodies. Try that the next time a word feels impossible. Drop a comment with your best attempt at the full sentence and let me know if the melody trick actually helped. See you next time.